What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Paint Society. A little bit different video today. Well, here's why. Well, this is the end of the road for my home and the Paint Society original single car garage, where we've come to do so many videos. As you can see, that I've already been working pretty hard, removing a lot of the brackets and shelving, and gonna patch it all up, make sure it's all nice, repaint everything, get everything good to go. This was the garage that we did a lot of cool videos in, whether it was rattle cans, spray cans, whatever it might have been, did all that. So it's a little bit bittersweet for me, because we are moving on to something bigger for the personal garage. But this fit me very well. We made it work. We've already cleared out a lot of the shelves. If you remember from the video, 3-gallon compressor video, that's all gone. The reel is gone. All the turbines are gone. Remember, we had a few up here. Took off all of the shelving. Gonna put that over at the new place. Everything for the most part is all emptied out. Been working for the past month or so, little by little. You know, moves are tough, but I tried to make this as easy as possible by doing a little bit at a time. The move was going pretty well. First owner that saw the house wanted it. We just had to change out a breaker. That cost me a little bit of money. I guess the old breakers were Challengers, which caught on fire, so they changed this one out. So I needed to fix up the wall a little bit, and then they changed the one on the outside of the house. Yeah, they put a whole new box over here, this one and this one, just so you could get insurance. But yeah, those were the only main things we had to do. Other than that, the house, like I said, sold the first person. We got the back patio cleared out. Some of you guys may have seen this in some videos, but that's pretty much cleared out. We have some odds and ends. My house is never messy at all, ever. So today is a little bit different, but the whole area in here, our toolboxes were here. It's not a big area, but you know, we made it work. BT Productions, one of my early businesses in middle school. That's it, the inside. For the most part, it's a mess. Joey.
I know.
Joey. Okay, he's busy. He's watching his Mickey Mouse. So anyways, let's take a look back now at some of the awesome projects that we've done here in the home garage, and a lot of awesome projects that you guys have really learned upon. And then we'll wrap this thing all up. We'll finish painting everything and get it all ready for the new owner. It's kind of sad to say, but it's most likely gonna be filled with garbage, not garbage, but storage, I'll say. No one really puts their car in a garage unless they're car enthusiasts. So I'm gonna clear it all out as if they could, but I just think it will be stuck with a whole bunch of boxes and shelving, and you know, people just use garages for storage nowadays. But let's take a look back at some of the cool and awesome projects you all learned from. And wow, that was a good look back at everything that's been done in this garage. You know, I bought this house in 2014, so we're right around 8 years now, and I've really did a lot of work to it. Got it all caught up, learned how to do a lot of the interior work, some baseboards, try to lay down some floor, and learned a lot along the way. And it's really come a long way. So this is a kind of a sentimental house to me, my first home I've owned. But you know, we're here in a garage, and even a realtor said I'm doing too much. You don't even need to leave it all. It's not a house that you rent, so you don't need to patch up all the holes. But you know, I want this house to have some integrity moving forward. So we're here the next weekend. The U-Haul's already gone, and I've done all the patching. I removed the pegboard here, and just gonna do a little bit of light painting. I'm gonna leave this workbench area. This I kind of made. I went to Lowe's and kind of figured out the schematics to take advantage of every square inch that we had here. So this is just you know, if you go onto Lowe's, you can go and get these vanity drawers, or you know, shelving compartments, whatever you want to call them, cabinets, and then kind of put it together and made this little space, you know, work. Thankfully, the new house will be much bigger, so we won't have to share the laundry room in the garage. But let's go ahead, let's get this all wrapped up, and we'll see how it looks like in the end. All the signage is down, everything's been plugged. I'm just gonna do a spot painting. I'm not gonna go ahead and do the whole thing. If it was for me personally, I wouldn't spot, because when you like spot paint, even if it's the same exact paint, you always see like the edge. It's kind of like paint, like the blend, I guess you could say. You always see, like if you look at it from the side, you can see where it's been painted. So I always prefer, even if it's something that small, if it's in my home, I do the whole entire wall. It doesn't take long, but for this, especially because it's like a stucco, just spot it. And so let's roll with that. All right, now guys, this is the end of the road. We're here in the nighttime evening, 2 days before closing. See, that looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty good. I mean, I think my expectations are a little bit too much sometimes, but guys, remember this from all the videos? Everything was stacked up here, all the turbines, everything, all completely ready for the new owner. Now, I do think that this would make for a nice wash area. Like we said earlier, you can fold clothes here and everything. Everything's completely emptied out. I'll show you around the back, completely emptied out. Gonna leave the lights up there. We're also going to leave the cat. Yeah, let's leave the cat. I mean, the dog definitely is coming. A dog is coming. The cat, yeah. The funny thing is, the cat, he loves us, but he does not love anyone else. The dog, Rocky, he loves everyone. That's my boy. Rocky and I, we moved in together for the most part. So we're kind of going on this adventure. Going on this adventure together. Everything's completely emptied. The carpets just need to be cleaned or vacuumed. And then this is Joey's room. I don't get you guys too personal, but I figure that's a change of video. This is Joey's room. The crib used to be over here. So this is a kind of sentimental room because this is the room where we brought our son home for the first time. Yes, there's no Wi-Fi. This was my media room where I edited all my videos. The desk used to be over here. I could not find the color of the room, and I was willing to repaint it for the new owner, but they're gonna put on their own paint. Closets, everything's ready. The bathroom we recently redone. So this one's a really nice bathroom. I really love this bathroom. I'll show you one I did, which it's okay work. This is our room with, well, there's a light. These townhomes are pretty decent because they come with everything: a garage, bedroom, decent closet space. Now this bathroom I did by myself, probably about 5 years ago. Still gotta clean her up. Tile, everything. I put that whole shower in, took out a big Roman tub, or it was a fiberglass tub. I ended up cutting it out, or cutting it in half. Figure that, I cut it in half right here, and I threw it out the window. That seemed like the most logical way. Learned a little bit about plumbing. You know, I didn't really care if it was perfect. I mean, I did care, but I cared more that there was no water leaks. I ended up putting a prefabbed shower pan back then. I don't know how to do any of that stuff. But yeah, I did this all myself, so kind of like my little claim to fame. I was pretty happy with it, but I think that's where this story ends. And I'm, you know, just really thankful for all my subscribers and everyone that watches. I guess I do know I put good content on, and I know that you guys learned a lot, but I'm really thankful, really thankful for all of you guys, because, you know, between the hard work and everything you were able to learn, and you know, we're able to provide for my family, and provide for my family in a way that makes me feel comfortable and I can enjoy life. So thanks to everyone that watches. Even if you watch the ad, you know, that means a lot to me, because that helps everything here, you know, and the whole goal is to teach and for you guys to learn, and this is the end of this era, and we're moving on to another amazing era where we'll continue to learn, and we'll continue to grow, and we'll continue to create a paint society. All right, it's ready for you to go over to grandparents' house. We're actually moving in with mom and dad for about a good few weeks. The new house needs some renovations, but let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that type of thing. I don't really know if you guys care. I'm trying to see, do you kind of like this whole, not vlog, but personal kind of dive into my life type of thing? If you're interested in that, I'll show you guys what the new house entails and some of the work that needs to get done. But until next time, guys, this is Brian from Paint Society reminding you, don't overthink it. It's just paint. I'll see you guys on the next one.